Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. The Makita 5377 mg is the ultimate corded worm drive circular saw designed for professionals and serious DIYers who demand precision, power, and durability. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor spinning at 4,500 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly slices through heavy, pressure-treated lumber, 2x10s, and more without slowing down. Its 7¼ 24-tooth blade delivers clean, smooth cuts, making it perfect for everything from fine woodworking to rough construction projects. Despite its impressive cutting ability, the 5377 mg is lighter than most worm drive saws at just 13.2 pounds, thanks to magnesium components in the motor and body. The magnesium motor housing is oil-sealed during production and paired with a built-in fan that bathes the gears in lubrication, eliminating the need for frequent oil maintenance and extending the life of the saw. Ergonomics and usability are top-notch, with a well-designed handle and trigger area that provide comfort during long cutting sessions. The blade line is highly visible, ensuring accurate cuts every time. Whether you're working on plywood, demoing subfloors, or making trench cuts, the 5377 mg delivers consistent, reliable performance. If you're looking for a saw that combines raw power, long-lasting durability, and ease of use, the Makita 5377 mg is the smart choice. Its corded design guarantees uninterrupted power, while the lightweight, magnesium build makes handling surprisingly effortless. This is the worm drive circular saw that gets the job done right, every time. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. The Skil 5280-2001 is a reliable corded circular saw that combines power, precision, and ease of use, making it a top choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a 15-amp motor that spins at 5,300 revolutions per minute, this saw delivers impressive torque to effortlessly cut through pressure-treated lumber, plywood, and framing materials. Its 7¼ 24-tooth blade ensures smooth, clean cuts whether you're making rips, crosscuts, or bevel cuts. At just 8.8 pounds, the Skil 5280-2001 is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. The ergonomically designed handle and trigger provide excellent comfort and control, allowing for precise, confident cuts. Adjusting the cut depth is simple and intuitive, and the shoe remains perfectly parallel to the blade for accurate results every time. Safety and usability are thoughtfully integrated into the design. A bright power indicator light clearly shows when the saw is on, helping prevent accidental starts. Even with the blade fully submerged in dense lumber, the saw maintains consistent power and smooth operation with minimal resistance. Whether you're framing a new wall, building furniture, or tackling general home improvement projects, the Skil 5280-2001 offers dependable performance at an accessible price point. Its combination of lightweight design, powerful motor, and precise cutting makes it an ideal tool for anyone looking for a versatile and dependable circular saw that gets the job done right. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 cordless circular saw redefines precision and convenience for professionals and serious DIYers. Powered by an 18V8Ah battery, this saw delivers smooth, consistent performance at up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, effortlessly handling pressure-treated lumber, plywood, and framing materials. Its 7¼ 24-tooth blade provides clean, accurate cuts whether making rips, crosscuts, or bevels. Weighing just 11.6 pounds, 9.5 for the saw and 2.14 for the battery, the saw is nimble and easy to maneuver. The aluminum accessory track, sold separately, allows for table saw level precision by guiding the saw along straight cuts without the need for special mounting hardware. This feature ensures every rip or crosscut is perfectly straight and smooth. Cut depth is controlled with a convenient thumb latch located above the trigger, allowing quick and precise adjustment. Simply press down on the latch and fine-tune the shoe's position with one hand for accurate, consistent cuts every time. Additional features include an eco mode to conserve battery during light-duty cuts, 6 speed settings for maximum versatility, and a built-in battery life indicator to monitor remaining charge. Ergonomically designed for comfort, this saw reduces fatigue during long work sessions while maintaining high performance. Whether you're cutting thin plywood or thick construction lumber, the Bosch GKS18V25 GCB14 combines power, precision, and portability, making it an indispensable tool for any workshop or job site. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS590 cordless circular saw is a powerhouse built for professionals and serious DIYers who demand performance and portability. With compatibility for both standard 20V max batteries and the dual voltage 20/60V FlexVolt system, battery not included, this saw delivers unmatched cutting endurance. The FlexVolt option allows for repeated deep cuts up to 2 9/16 inches, powering through 2x4s and framing lumber with ease. Weighing just 8.2 pounds, plus battery, the DCS590 is surprisingly nimble for a high-capacity cordless saw. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth framing blade spins at 5,500 revolutions per minute, providing smooth, clean cuts and exceptional accuracy. The ergonomic handle and rubberized grip ensure comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Safety and control are top priorities, with an electronic blade brake that stops the blade within seconds after releasing the trigger, minimizing the risk of accidents. The cut depth is easily adjustable, and the shoe stays stable and parallel to the blade for precise, consistent results on every cut. From framing walls to cutting plywood or decking, the DEWALT DCS590 combines cordless convenience with professional-grade performance. Its robust motor, battery versatility, and user-friendly design make it an ideal choice for those who want the freedom of cordless operation without sacrificing cutting power. Upgrade your toolkit with the DEWALT DCS590 for reliable, high-performance cuts every time. Number 5. Makita 5007 mg Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 mg corded circular saw is a professional-grade tool designed to combine power, precision, and durability. Equipped with a 15-amp motor spinning at 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly handles all types of lumber, including pressure-treated boards, 2x4s, and framing materials. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade delivers clean, smooth cuts, making it ideal for framing, decking, and general construction tasks. Built with a lightweight magnesium body, the 5007 mg reduces fatigue and strain on your hands and arms during extended use without compromising cutting power. 2 onboard LED lights illuminate the cutting line, ensuring accuracy even in low-light conditions. Additionally, a duct dust blower keeps the blade line clear of sawdust and debris, allowing you to maintain precise cuts without interruption. While the corded design limits portability compared to cordless models, it guarantees uninterrupted power and consistent performance for demanding jobs. The ergonomic handle and well-balanced design make it comfortable to operate, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Whether you're a professional contractor or a dedicated DIYer, the Makita 5007 mg is built to handle tough jobs with ease. Its combination of lightweight construction, powerful motor, and precision features make it a staple for any workshop or job site. Invest in the Makita 5007 mg and enjoy years of dependable, high-performance cutting.